hidden by head.
Head.
Yes.
Because my head too big.
Yes. Lost. Safan.
Hidden serve My Head is Too Big. ITTF World Cup Macau 2025 by coach EmRatThich. At the ITTF World Cup 2025 in Macau, table tennis fans witnessed not only thrilling rallies and explosive footwork, but also a controversy that highlights the growing pains of implementing technology in service rule enforcement. The match between Anders Lind, Denmark, and Feng Yixin, Taipei, brought an unexpected moment when Lin challenged Feng's serve, claiming it was hidden, with an unusual statement. He hides the ball with his head. My head is too big. I can't do that. The situation quickly turned into a mess. The umpire, clearly not confident in English, struggled to communicate with Anders. Feng, meanwhile, calmly waited as the first service challenge of the match unfolded. Tension rose. But based on the TTR, Table Tennis Review System, the challenge was unsuccessful. Feng was deemed not to have hidden the serve. But here's the problem. The camera angle used for review was mounted very high and far off to the left side, nowhere near the perspective of the actual receiver. From that viewpoint, everything seems legal. However, what the camera sees is not what the player sees, and that's the core issue. Let's be fair. Was Feng hiding the serve from the TTR replay? No. From Anders Lind's angle? Possibly yes. The serve rule, February 6th, 04, clearly states, as the ball is falling, it shall be struck so that it touches first the server's court and then without being obstructed. And here's where Anders had a point. If a serve is only legal when viewed from a perfect camera angle from above or far left, but hidden from the opponent standing at the table, then the spirit of the rule is broken, even if not the letter. To exaggerate, imagine this. The server makes a serve while standing sideways, head leaning in, and tells the opponent, "Why didn't you see it? The camera could see it." That's not fair play.
Intéressant parce que cette fois c'est Anders Lind qui demande le chat et là ça prend du temps et il l'explique il dit c'est la tête encore qui gêne. Ça commande. Christophe pris tout l'angle là. Anders lui dans son angle à lui il la voit pas la balle. Oui c'est pour ça en tant que gaucher c'est débile. Non, même gaucher ou pas, oui, parce qu'il oui, sur le côté droit, pivot. Ouais, le droitier, il l'aurait un peu mieux vide. Ouais, c'est clair. Il perd le point. Non, c'est pas possible. Ah oui, parce qu'il a arrêté du coup. Bah oui. Et la règle, Anders qui dit que la règle, c'est que.
Receiver, so you are challenge. And then
we were both told that if I see something, a serve that I don't think is right, and I challenge.
So if you give the guideline, if you service,
ah, il perd le. Sur ce dernier set, hein. Ah, il comprend pas ce qui se passe, Anders. Il a perdu le point. Mais t'as raison, les murs. Il demande le challenge, il a tort, tu perds le point. Mais lui, il avait pas l'air de prendre ça, il s'est dit on le refait, on commence.
Il a arrêté le jeu, c'est normal. C'est comme quand t'arrêtes le jeu au tennis pendant le.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.